Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. Today I want to bring you the weekly forex analysis for the coming week. My name is Samuel Okoye from West Africa, from Biafra, West Africa. Time now is 10:21 a.m. Today I will cover not all the pairs as I used to because of time, and I will also be a bit fast. People inbox me asking me about my training course. Please always refer to the description of this video. Under the video in YouTube, you see my details, both my phone number, Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and everything you need to know. Then if you want to join the students class, just inbox me from Telegram or WhatsApp, or I will reply to you. Okay, as I said, I will be faster because of time. I have things to cover. Maybe in future I will reduce the number of pairs I analyze. I think it's too much. That takes so much time to analyze. Maybe I may reduce to 10 or 12 or even 8. Okay, let's go. Remember, it's an advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Wave analysis remains the best approach to forex trading. Wave analysis remains the best approach to forex trading. All you need to know is to master it. Once you master it, you are good to go. That's it. Okay, I start. This is DXY. As I always say, weeks back I told you that our target is 93, but here is our target for the first month or thereabout. We have gotten our target, but from the structure I can see here, there is still room for a further move up. So watch for the break of this line. Once this channel is broken nicely, they look for buy. Okay. Once the channel is broken nicely, look for buy. So our target, the lowest target is the break of this place. It will, if you get the better top, it will surely break here, but the much it will go, I don't know, but I think it's gonna go to this place, 94 to 95. So keep watch to see how it happens. Okay, let's move. This is a 4 hours channel, 4 hours. On 1 hour, just to show you more levels. On 1 hour, it's still the same thing. A break of this channel will give us room for up move. The only thing I want to show you in 1 hour is that we may not get another drop down. It's an option. It may drop, but once it breaks this top, it will likely go up from here. So you keep watch whether we have another drop or not. Okay, that's for DXY. Euro USD. This is daily chart. Remember our target on Euro USD. Our target remains this place, and as you can see, from here to here is almost the same thing. So even if we don't have another drop that will come here, I think at least if it is in an exam, I think we scored 90% or 85. So, but the way it's moving, 4 hours will show us more details whether we expect a drop or not. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours, you can see, as long as this level is concerned, I'm still expecting. I'll keep expecting a move. This may stop from here and go down. I am expecting a move that will break this low. But if the move continues to go in this line and breaks this place nicely, I mean break this level nicely, then I will stop looking about sell, at least for the moment. But for now, a break of this channel, I look for sell setup to sell below this level before I look for buy. Okay, let's move to the next pair. So okay, you just the 1 hour channel. Okay, just as I pointed out, that's the low I pointed out there. So if we get we may not get this sell now. So the only difference that here is more detailed. We might not get this sell for now, but if the price comes to breaks this, close below this place, then we're gonna get the sell that will continue to the break of this low. But we may still have to have something like this, then we sell from here. If the price comes up to this place, it will be even better. So that's the price. So watch for sell. That's my message. JPY, the way it's moving, I'm not looking for sell, but it's still going up, but going up gradually. So in this type of trade, buying doesn't make sense to me. So I'm not looking for sell when it breaks this low. 1 hour, the same thing. Because after this sharp drop, I thought we will have a correction and another move, but you can see it reversed very quickly. But this type of trading is very trickish. You can enter, you can agree to me that buying from here and targeting this place doesn't make sense, because the only place you can put your stop loss is here. So it will make, to me, it doesn't make sense to buy something from here and target this place, and here becomes stop loss. So it doesn't make sense. In this type of case, I will ignore the trade until it gives me something meaningful. So for me, only meaningful thing I see is to close below this place, I will sell. Below this place, I will sell again. Remember pounds JPY, I'm telling you that what I'm expecting is sell. Now you can see the reason. Anyway, when I get there, you will know the reason why I always say that I prefer to sell. Okay, Euro AUD. Euro AUD. These have been a kind of difficult pair to analyze, but the point there is that this can still be 1, this can still be 2, but the point is that this type of move is the typical start of wave 3, but this very deep is a call for concern, because if it's a typical wave 3, it will just end somewhere here and continue moving sharply. But nevertheless, this can be a start of another wave 3 inside the wave 3. I don't know, you may not understand, but that's all what I tell you. You need to join the class to learn what you are doing. So no matter what, my target is this very channel. That is the break of this place. The way it breaks it will now enable us to know whether we are continuing up or we are going down for the break of this low. So keep your eye in this very place. Okay, let's move. The 1 hour chart of Euro AUD, I'm just saying the same thing. This move, once it breaks and comes below this place, I look for a sell. Break of here will give us another sell. But as things move on, as things stands now, this place and this place holds the key for the next movement. So this place is a free zone. To trade inside here doesn't make sense. A break of this place can give us a buy setup. A break of this place can give us a sell setup. So it calls for caution. Euro New Zealand. Once here is broken, I'm still looking for price to come up to this place. I'm looking for the price to come up to this place, but it may give us a little move down, maybe somewhere here or somewhere here. Then we if we get buy setup from here, we don't mind waiting to break this place, because here is sure a complete structure. But if it keeps going sideways, if it doesn't give us a drop, then we wait for the break of this place before we buy. The 1 hour is still the same thing, though in 1 hour we might have something like triangle, this kind of move, A, B, C, D, E, then we buy. So if we keep getting the move that doesn't break here, we may not get this place. We might buy from this dotted line and go up. So we keep watching how it develops. We move on. EuroChef. The EuroChef. This channel, I think the last time I made an analysis when the price was here, and I told you a break of this. If you watch that video, I said a break of this level will give us a retest of here, and it happened exactly how we forecasted. Now what next? A, B, C. This C might not be deep. This C might end somewhere here, and then we get to the channel. We test the channel again. So we keep watching how it goes. But the better thing is that we are inside this channel, and the price, the way I see this market, it will waste more time. We will still have another drop, then another drop, another up. So we keep watching it. The 4 hours, this is a typical sell setup, because it's not that nice, but it's broken this level. My next move is to wait for what happens here. What happens here matters. If it moves sharply, I won't sell, but if it goes sideways, I'll just look for sell and target this place. The 1 hour. 1 hour gives us a nice channel. You can see this channel is very nice, and I just label it 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, then 5. So we will likely get something like this, then we up move. So when the market opens, we know. CAD. Oh. What is this? CAD. This one. EuroChef. Oh, so okay, CAD. The 4 hours and 1 hour is all. CAD. The 4 hours and 1 hour is same thing. We look for up move. Another buy. We do this channel. GBP. This move is strong. We need to break this. This is our buy confirmation. We need to break it. I don't know yet, but this move is strong. But you know, GBP always move in a strange manner. Okay, now see what happened here. See what happened here after this strong move. What next? It keeps going down. You see, it keeps going down. So showing strong move doesn't make sense. Sometimes we confuse you if you're not careful in GBP. You can see this is strong move, and you can see the continuation. In this case, this is strong move, and you can see the continuation. This is strong move. It didn't continue. So showing strong move doesn't make sense all the time in GBP. But let's go to 4 hours. Okay, in 4 hours, what I'm looking for is a little side move. This top and the down. Let's go to 1 hour. I think here it is in details in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour you can see this is 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for A, B, C. So I'm looking for one A, B, C. Then target this place. Then look for sell. We will likely get sell from this place, unless the strong move continues. USD CAD. USD CAD have been struggling to move up, but the CAD is stronger than USD for all this while. So what we are looking for now is to give us a BC to complete the B cycle. I'm just looking for A, B, C. Maybe it will happen like this. Then from here we look for sell and know whether it will break this place or not. Okay, let's move. Okay, the 1 hour, just what we're expecting, something like this, ABC, then a drop before we look for up. So USD CAD, normally it's supposed to buy when USD JPY is buying, but it couldn't buy because the CAD is too strong for US dollar. Okay, USD JPY, we have gotten wave 3, so we're looking for wave 4. Would it be deeper? I don't know. Let's go to 4 hours. But what about this is 1, 2, 3. Then 4 is somewhere here. So 4 will be somewhere here. Then 5 will be up there. Maybe 113, 114, 15. So wave 3 has ended. Let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, you can see this is a wave A or X. So we are looking for wave B. Wave B, I think it has not finished. When market starts, we know whether wave B has finished or not. But once wave B ends, we sell wave C. From here, we look for buy to trade the 50 wave. Okay, that's it. USD Chef and USD JPY do some nice job. Now that I label this does not mean that wave A is over. Wave A might still drop. But what I'm trying to show you is that we are looking for A, B, C. So I assume that wave A is over. Maybe it will drop a little bit. Then it will give us wave B. Wave B is what we sell. So though I missed this sell. This is a sales setup, but I missed it. I was in the market when it happened, but it's a very nice sales setup. Okay, I think many of my students must sell this very trade, and it's more than 100 pips drop. Okay, let's move. USD. I'm looking for another drop. A break of this very pin bar will give us reason to sell once more. Okay. The price might even come to this place and say come back. So I cannot buy USD, AUD USD now, because you may say buy above this place to just come to this place again and come back. So it's called for caution. Either sell or nothing. For me, I don't know about you. The 1 hour chart, okay, you see a break of this place will give me a reason to buy, to sell, and target this place. Target 0.744, 742, 7400. Gold and silver. Gold. Remember, this has happened before. Well, that if this stop doesn't break, I will continue to sell. And you can see this drop shows the sign of the selling will continue. So in my opinion, be patient. I know gold will soon begin to buy, but be patient. It's better to buy at the right time than to hit stop loss. So I'm still looking for drop that will break this low. Eventually go further down. 1600 here is the target, or at least here is the target. Between here and here is the target. So I'm still looking for a drop unless I see a strong move up that breaks this level. If not, I'm still looking for selling on gold. Now another thing is that You know, this is wave 3, and this can be the wave 4. If we get a strong move from here, I mean this kind of move, then we look for and go up. So if you get this kind of strong move that breaks this place, then here becomes 4 and here becomes our 5. So that's it. So but as long as the price is still showing signs of move down, the wave 4 is here and wave 5 is still here. Okay, let's move on. Silver, once I get a break of this little channel, I will look for sell, and target will be here before they buy. Although they are getting ready for buy, but you must be patient. We will likely take away this low again before we buy, and the market is moving sideways. In silver, this is the buy confirmation. So if the price continues to go side, maybe go within the channel sideways, when we break this place, maybe it will go sideways. Give us a little drop, break here, give us correction and buy. But for now, I'm expecting a drop. New Zealand US dollars. Okay, I'm looking for a drop. As simple as that. I'm looking for a break of this place and another drop. Another drop. That's my target. Another drop. Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, in my analysis, after the break of this channel, I told you that the next target will be this upper trend line. So right now, this place is on course. So the target is at least this place, 66,000, between here and here. So I think once the price reverse this area, it will drop heavily. But for now, the buying has confirmed. So maybe if you're trading Bitcoin on margin, once you get a correction or pullback, then you can buy. The stop loss will be under the correction, because you know Bitcoin is a high volume trade. If you place a stop loss here, it's too risky. So if you get a correction here, maybe something like this here, then you place a stop loss somewhere here and buy, in case if it reverses very fast. Okay, but here is the target. Ethereum, I don't have much time to go deep, but we're only looking for the look of things. Ethereum will be going within this channel for now. So 2.5 is next target for Ethereum. 2005 is next target for Ethereum. So that's it for now. Pounds USD. So when all this things was happening, I told you I am looking for sell, and after some time, though it delayed, after some time it dropped and go back quickly. Then when it started to go doing this again, watch my last videos. I told you that once it breaks this low, this high, it will drop, and it dropped exactly how I said. Right now, what am I looking for? A consolidation. I don't know how deep it will be, but I'm looking for a drop again. After this drop can be said to be A, then B, and the C. So watch out for further drop. What I'm trying to say, if you are trying to buy pound JPY, forget buying for now, unless you are a scalper. So I'm looking for a further drop that will be A, then B, then C will be somewhere here. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, if you don't trust my analysis, if this don't make you to trust my analysis, I don't know what else will make you. Pounds USD. Pounds USD plays on tricks, but all I know is that I'm looking for a drop inside this blue box. So selling here makes sense. Stop loss here makes sense. Okay, as a matter of fact, I have an open trade on pounds USD. I don't want to close it. I press sell stop here. It triggered and rushed back to this place. Then my stop loss is far anyway. Here is my stop loss. But I would advise you to put your stop loss here. It will be too far for you. Because if the price continues to drop, I'm already in profit because I entered here. So for you that haven't entered, if you want to enter, wait for the close of this low, then you can enter. Then your stop loss will be here. Because once the price comes below this place, I will shift my stop loss to this place. So that's the idea. Pound shelf. I'm also looking for drop. This can be A, then B and C. So further drop is what I'm looking for. Okay, pounds AUD. Pounds AUD. Also, I'm also looking for drop on that. Correction can give us a correction and drop. At least I'm looking for the break of this low. I'm looking for the break. We get something like this. Then we will know whether we are going up from here or not. So keep watching. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD. I'm still looking for drop. You know, when this happened, I'm afraid that it will drop from here. But you can see it's still sideways. It's broken this channel. So the next thing I'm expecting is for it to keep dropping from here. In fact, it is a very nice setup. It's a very nice setup. Selling this makes sense. Stop loss will be here. So it's a good sell. And target will be somewhere here. So you consider trading it if you don't have an open trade. Using JPY. Something like this. A break of this place is possible. Okay, because this means to be an A, B, C. It may go deep. It may even break here. It may break this place and still come back. So what I'm saying is that I favor selling than buying. I can only buy if the price break this place. Normal break. And give us consolidation, then I buy. But if it goes to this place and come and they give us a sign of rejection, then we sell again to break this low. New Zealand shelf. Okay, just as I told you that my target is, just as I said in my last video, that my target is that it will come to this very low. You can see gradually is moving there. Though we may get reversal anywhere, but it may still come to this very low. But of course, as I said before, it will break this very low. But it has broken it. It may go deeper or not. But the point is that if you are buying, be patient. That's what I'm trying to say. If you are buying, be patient. Don't rush to buy until we are sure of the buying is safe to buy. Okay. Based on 1 hour, buying above here can be a good trade. Then target here. Then it is up to you for you to decide, because here will be stop loss. It's for you to decide whether it's good for you to buy from here and stop loss here, because you may buy it can reverse. Anything can happen in the market. That's why I try to trade safely. You can buy it from here, it can reverse and kill a stop loss before it goes up. So safest thing is to do, if you buy from here, once you see a good move, you move a stop to break even, or you leave it to finish what it is doing. Okay. USDs are for now I can't tell it for now, because it will likely drop again, and the dropping is almost at the terminal point. So selling from here doesn't make sense. US 100 is going up just as we said. That is my last analysis. That wave 3 is targeted to be here, wave 4 and 5. So we keep watching. We will likely go to this place, and furthermore. So if you have entered the trade, remember I told you, once this place is broken, it will go far, and it's happening like that. There's not too much talk on that. The videos are there to watch. You can go back and confirm it. This US30 is also buying, but is somehow slow, and once it gets slow like this, you may get a break. Once it's going to be slow, you may suddenly get something like this. Then after that, we buy again. But for now, buying is not that much because it's slow. It's moving slowly. Okay. S&P 500 is going up. It's going up. Something like this will likely happen. A little sideways, up move, big correction, up move again. That's what I expect. Little sideways, up move, big correction, up move. So it's going up, up, up. It's going up, up, up. So maybe 4,004 will be the next place it will hit. What next do we have? I think we are through. Okay, so I didn't have the time to go to other currency pairs like Doji, Electronium, Litecoin, XRP. Wow, see XRP, wow, wonderful. BNB 481. Wow, maybe if you see them. Very nice trade, very nice market. Wow. BNB is pulling weight. It's all moving nicely and strongly. Okay. That's alright. Of course, when you have this type of trade, no need to sell them because Ripple 1.17. Maybe very soon Ripple will go to $3 very soon. Who knows? Okay, that's alright. See Ripples. I said very soon it will go to back to $3. You know Ripples have gone to $3. Can you see it? This is 2018 January. Ripples reached $3.36 before it crashed. It's all call for patience. With patience, it's going back that place. So what do we do whenever you have a correction, a nice pullback, something like this? Whenever you get a nice pullback, A, B, C, or WXY, XZ, then you look for buy. That's the only thing I can tell you about the Ripples for now. So I've got to the end of today's video analysis. Please feel free to ask the questions. Join our Telegram channel. Ask the questions. If you want to learn from me, just indicate. I'll add you to the students class. My charges is very little. It's a kind of profit you can make in a very good trade. As a matter of fact, this very move, if you are trading 0.5, this move pays for what I will teach you. This also pays for what I will teach you. If you are trading 0.5 lot size, so if you are losing, if you are trading and losing, why not that money you are losing? Who's gain? You use the money and learn. Then after learning, you need to trade with peace of mind. Okay, that's all for today. Share the video, like our video, make your comment. God bless you. Remember, trade with care. Don't over trade. Trade with stop loss. Trade with appropriate loss that is in accordance with your equity. Bye.